If you're someone na maraming goals for 2025 pero hindi mo alam paano mag-goal setting, tara, turuan kita. So watch this video until the end. By the way, I am Christine. I'm an entrepreneur, a mentor, and a founder of Spartans Community. First requirement, kailangan dapat meron kang notebook, may ballpen ka, at pumunta ka sa isang lugar na pwede kang mapag-isa. So grab your pen and paper, isusulat natin yung goals natin for the next 12 weeks. Alam mo ba na 42% chances, higher chances na ma-hit mo yung goal mo pag isinusulat mo yung goal mo. Dahil ink is better than think. So maglilist ka doon ng at least 12 goals mo for this quarter, for the next 3 months. Okay? And doon sa 12 goals na yan, second step is pipiliin mo dyan yung isa na pag na-hit mo, magkakaroon ng greatest impact sa buhay mo ngayong quarter na to. Third step is, kung na-identify mo na yung isa na yun, kailangan dapat ma-identify mo rin ano yung reasons, bakit gusto mo siya i-hit, bakit gusto mo siyang makuha. Okay? Ano ba yung magiging benefits yan sa family mo? Cite at least 3 to 5 reasons. Then pangalawa, ilagay mo rin yung mga obstacles or yung mga problems na mapagdadaanan mo along the way. Okay? And next step naman natin is yung knowledge and skills na kailangan mo para ma-hit mo yung goal na yon. And next is, sino yung mga tao or connections na pwede mo lapitan na merong evidence na na-hit nila yung goal na yon or kailangan ng cooperation ng mga tao na to para ma-hit mo yung goal na ito. Okay? And of course, actionable steps every day, at least 3 steps every day na gagawin mo para ma-hit mo yung goal na yun. Susundin mo for the next 3 months. Take action every single day. Papunta doon sa goals mo, kahit yung one small move na yan, importante yan para ma-hit mo yan. Palitan mo din screensaver mo at wallpaper mo sa phone. And then number 3, yung 3 actionable steps. Make sure consistent ka. Do weekly reviews. So every week, check mo yung progress mo, kung papunta ka or palayo ka sa goals mo. And of course, syempre mag-pray ka. In my next video guys, tuturuan ko kayo on how to do journaling. Bakit importante magkaroon ka ng sariling principles, at bakit kailan align yung values mo para ma-hit mo yung goal. By the way, I also bought 1.5 worth of book about journaling para hindi mo na kailangan bumili at libre mong makuha sa akin. If you like this video, feel free to comment down below and tag a friend. If meron kang feedback or questions, you can comment down below this video. Yun lang. Thank you guys.